So in this project file, I will be discussing about unity in diversity. So the first paragraph, we should talk about introduction. What is all about unity in diversity? What is its impact or what it emphasizes that we want to discuss here, and as well as what are the various different types of diversity we have. We have cultural diversity. I also given few examples of cultural diversity here, and also there is a linguistical diversity is there, and I have given few examples for linguistic diversity as well, and there is a religious diversity is also is available across the world. This is an example, two examples I have given for religious diversity, and there is also ethnic diversity is available. I have given two more examples for this as well, and we have environmental diversity as well. I have given two examples for this as well, and there is also a workplace diversity also you can see. So I have given two example for Google and IBM for workplace diversity, and there is also a educational diversity we could see, which is for that as well. I have given two more examples for writing up your project file, and the final part would be the conclusion part of the unity in diversity. So this is how you should write unity in diversity project file.